Hi everyone, welcome to Souped Up Recipes. I have made a Ma La Tang recipe not so long ago. In that video, I showed you how to make the Ma La Tang sauce. Today, we will use this sauce to make two quick recipes. The first one is a flavorful shrimp noodle recipe. Use a garlic presser, press in 1 clove of garlic, adding about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce, about 1 teaspoon. This is the Ma La Tang sauce. Add to your taste. I used 2.5 tablespoons. If you want it to be less spicy, you can use a small amount. Stir to mix and set it aside. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Cook some noodles. I'm using homemade fresh egg noodles. I do have a recipe for it. I will put the video link in the description. You can use other kinds, such as pasta, spaghetti, rice noodles, or mung bean noodles, whatever you like. Just follow the cooking instructions. Fresh noodles cook really fast. It takes a minute or two. I also like to add some proteins. Shrimps are perfect because they also cook fast. Add them to the boiling pot 30 seconds before you want to take everything out. Add them to the serving bowl. Mix well. This is 1 serving. You can double or triple the recipe and serve more people. I always eat it as breakfast. It's quick. Only takes less than 10 minutes to make everything. The flavor is amazing. Extra tangy and savory. Shrimps and noodles provide lots of proteins and carbs for me to start my day. I hope you give this a try soon, and let's go to the next recipe. Spicy lotus root salad. You will need a bunch of cilantro, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 pieces of hot chilies. You just dice them all. This is Thai bird's eye chili, extra hot. The Ma La Tang sauce is already spicy, so you might want to adjust the chili amount based on your preference. Set it aside. In a sauce bowl, adding 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of Chinese black vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of the Ma La Tang sauce, ½ teaspoon of sugar, a drizzle of sesame oil, adding the diced chilies, garlic, and cilantro. Mix everything and set it aside. This is lotus root, one of my favorite vegetables. Get a peeler to peel off the skin. If you don't have lotus root, you can use other vegetables like cucumber, carrot. The shape of the lotus root, some part will go in so the peeler can't get it. You can use a spoon to scratch the skin off. Slice the lotus root into 3 mm thick pieces. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add the lotus root slices. Put on the lid. Let it cook for 2 minutes. The water should come back to a boil. Take the lotus root out. Put them on a rack. Spread them out. Let their own heat to evaporate the moisture on the surface because you don't want the liquid to dilute the seasoning. Once the lotus root is cooled down, you can put them in a big mixing bowl along with the sauce. Mix everything and you are done. This is a cold dish. We call it 凉菜 in Chinese. We usually serve it as an appetizer or side dish. Sometimes I even snack on it as it is because I like the taste of it, and lotus root is healthy, so I don't mind to eat a lot. I hope you can give this a try soon. Don't forget to check the previous video to make the Ma La Tang sauce. Then you can experiment with other ways to use the sauce. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!